So ordered.
Madam Speaker, today the Washington Post bore a headline that should be of grave concern to all Americans. Quote, House may try to pass Senate health care bill without voting on it, close quote. The Post article said, after laying the groundwork for a decisive vote this week on the Senate's health care bill, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi suggested Monday that she might attempt to pass the measure without having members vote on it. Despite deep reservations of a majority of Americans, congressional leaders plan to ram through their 2,700-page, nearly $1 trillion proposal by using a parliamentary maneuver that is both politically treacherous and likely unconstitutional. Article 1, Section 7 of the Constitution clearly states that a bill must pass both the House and Senate to become law. I call on leaders of Congress to adhere to our Constitution's requirement of democratic accountability and allow a straight up or down vote on the majority party's health care proposal that is opposed by the American people. I yield back the balance of my time.
For what purposes does the gentleman from Washington rise? Without objection.